Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. I know I got so many unboxing for you to check it out, but anyway, let's go ahead and get it started. So you can see this is the sleep or sleep number bag. But actually, my sister gave me this, so it's supposed to be a TORY BURCH purse or something, or tote bag. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So you see right here, torybirch.com, New York. Made in China. The heck? Everything's made in China or Vietnam. Fit in there pretty tight. Whoa, this is nice. I heard Tory BURCH is pretty expensive. I never shopped there before, but and my wife doesn't like the Tory BURCH, so we'll see. So this is what is this? What kind of material is this? Like a, hopefully there's a label or something. So as you can see, this is a original, authentic Tory BURCH. Got this hang tag, and this is the handle is wrapped with the plastic. And then you got this hang tag, Tory BURCH. And then that is the description, and then the barcode. Tote shopping. Maybe I can see it. Okay, he got this silica gel. So yeah, it seems like it's pretty sturdy. So I'm not sure if this tote bag comes with a free when you buy something from the store or anything like that. But anyway, got this for free. I cannot complain. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification. All right. We do so many of the unboxing video, any of the DIY tutorial. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please drop any other comments on below, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out, guys.